Weather from the #1 news station in the Delta.
Another beautiful day in Greenville. It still doesn't feel like May, though. This is our Alpha Insurance Skycam down at the Hampton Inn. Lots of sunshine and only 70 degrees, and the air is still very dry with the dew point in the lower 40s. I think that's about where temperatures will wind up late tonight and early tomorrow morning. East wind blowing now 7 miles per hour, and the breeze will die down some after sunset. Let's see how cold it got this morning. 45 was the official low in Greenville, 5 degrees above the record low for this date. But Greenwood dropped to 42, and that's the coldest it's ever been in Greenwood on May 4th. We've got more than 60 years of records, and the coldest it had ever been on this date until today was 43 for Greenwood back in 1976. We did not tie or break a record low last night. Came within 1 degree as we dropped to 47 in Greenwood before midnight last night, but the record low for yesterday was 46. Highs today from the top of each hour: 72 at Greenville, 71 degrees in Greenwood. Weather watchers have called in some very pleasant numbers, upper 60s and lower 70s shortly before the newscast. And tomorrow will be just a little bit warmer, but we're still going to be several degrees below average tomorrow afternoon. 71 now at the Greenwood Airport with a north to northeast wind at 8 miles per hour and only 34% relative humidity. Very nice numbers just about all around us. It's 66 in Clarksdale and Oxford, 67 in Tupelo. Vicksburg is 73. They dropped all the way to 40 this morning in Vicksburg to break the record low for this date. Mostly lower 70s in South and Southeast Arkansas. Monroe, Louisiana has 76. 70s all the way back into Texas and Oklahoma. Austin, Texas has 79, and that's the warmest big city we can find across the South. It's a little bit cooler than average pretty much everywhere, and much cooler than average in some places, including Nashville at only 59 degrees. Most of the region is dry today. There are some showers way up in eastern Kentucky and West Virginia. Nothing real heavy there. There has been, though, some trouble today along I-40 between Memphis and Little Rock. That interstate westbound has been closed because of floodwaters, closed at Brinkley, Arkansas. So if you happen to be traveling along I-40 there between Memphis and Little Rock, you're going to be diverted, and they expect the eastbound lanes will have to be closed soon also near Brinkley, Arkansas because of the floodwaters. Here's our forecast for tonight. Mostly clear and chilly. We'll go with 42 as the average low for Greenville and Greenwood, and that would break the record for both cities tomorrow morning if we get that low. North to northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, then diminishing some late. And tomorrow, lots of sunshine, very pleasant with a high of 74. East winds shifting to the south at 6 to 12 miles per hour. So when the wind shifts to the south, it isn't long before things warm up. I wish we could keep it like this all month, Tanya Carter, but that's not the case. It's going to get pretty hot by the end of the 7-day forecast. We'll talk about that at 6 o'clock.
All right then, Chris. Thank you so much. And I agree. I wish we could keep it like this forever.
At least through May, huh?
Yeah, you're right.